Hey guys, I'm just trying to give you a little bit of a help to get you started here on the wagon race task. Um, this is going to take a couple to a few classes for you guys to go through. So I would almost deal with it like as if you were dealing with like a problem or two of these kind of per class, and spread your time out over that. So right up here, these are the formulas that you're going to need. So whenever you get to a problem, always be thinking, all right, what information do I have and how can I solve for what they want me to solve for? So information you need here is they give you the forces and the masses. So they give you the forces of the people pushing and the masses of the people sitting in the wagon. Okay, so if you just think about this for a second, you have forces and masses. Well, just based on this top equation up here, you could calculate an acceleration from that because you have the other two things. So problems, calculate acceleration for each wagon. Okay, so for wagon 1, wagon 2, and wagon 3, you are going to calculate the acceleration. Okay, and make sure you show your work here. Then for here, each wagon has a constant acceleration for 5 seconds. Make a data table that shows the speed and time for each wagon starting at time 0 and ending at time 5. Which formula would you use here? So they're looking for they're giving you constant acceleration, okay, and they want your velocity at all these different times. So you have acceleration that you just calculated, and you have time. So go up here and figure out which one of the formulas has those things in it. And then you're just going to calculate here what the velocity of each wagon was at each of these times. What you'll notice is that it's kind of a pattern in the forms as you start doing this, and you'll figure it out quickly. Then graph them. You use make sure you make nice graphs on Google Sheets and insert those into here. Actually, what I would really do now that I'm thinking about it, I would probably put all three of the lines on the same graph. Okay, you have a data table here. Take this data table into Sheets and make 3 lines on the same graph, and that should give you the information that you need. Come down here and figure out, once again, go back up and look for an equation that has what it's looking for. So use the accelerations you calculated to determine the distance traveled by each wagon in 5 seconds. So that's saying after 5 seconds, how far did this go? Okay. And then this is more of a written question. So if a 100-meter race was held, which wagon would win? Explain why. How long did it take each wagon to finish? So looking for time there, given a distance. So 100-meter race, looking for time, and explain how you know which one would win. All right, good luck.